Hi there. This is just a short video about an alternative for the Venco pottery wheel grommets. This is an alternative for the number 6 wheel, which uses the smaller grommets. The Venco ones are, well, I think they're quite expensive for what they are. They're also very difficult to fit, and the alternative ones are easier to fit and cheaper. Ronston make a deck fitting with a code number PNP39A. They have the same inside diameter as the bolts used on the Venco wheel. They're slightly longer or deeper than the Venco grommets, but you can actually cut them down. They're also easy to fit, surprisingly. You don't need to heat them in water, you can just knock them in and then cut them down to the same length as the shoulder on the bolt. I've got a few pictures here just to give you an idea. If anybody finds an alternative for the larger grommets, then stick it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.